What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just checking out Verasity here, and as you can see, it is looking like it is just chopping sideways in this little range that we did designate a good while ago here. Obviously very low volume and interest in markets in general at the minute, but as you can quite clearly tell here, we've obviously come down. We've got the high that we did form here where we had a bit of a support. You know, you come down, you form your low, your high, and then since then we've just been chopping sideways, haven't we? Looking like we are stuck under the 20 EMA at the minute. Things looking quite bearish in general in the markets. Obviously Bitcoin has been, you know, creeping up and tested that resistance of previous support, and obviously rolled over in the past few days, causing the market to have a little bit of a rollover. But Verasity specifically looking very exhausted at the minute. Obviously still got this huge bullish divergence that is probably going to play out fairly soon over the next few months, most likely, if we do see some relief in the markets. You know, these are huge divergences that can't be ignored, and it does seem as though sooner or later we probably will see a bit of a move for Verasity. Obviously the volume, interest, etc. very low at the minute. You can see on the hourly time frame exactly what we were talking about. This previous level of support here would be that, you know, forming the resistance for the top of our range. We come down, support, go up to test resistance and resistance again, and then looking like we have been chopping sideways since then, and basically, you know, looking like we might be losing this swing low here to come down and retest the low of the overall range again. But really not that much to say in the markets in general. Verasity here really looking like it is essentially, you know, just continuing to move down. And, you know, if we pulled our Fibonacci down now to accommodate this new move to the downside, like as we can see here, we do have some targets. We want to see ourselves getting back up above these levels, really up towards that half a cent plus area, really. Before we can see any kind of movement to the upside, we do need to see some of these key previous levels of support flipped into resistance being broken and being, you know, retaken as support. Because right now we're just in a, you know, downtrend, lower lows and lower highs for Verasity, and we do need to see that being reversed somewhat before we get bullish again. So overall, Verasity is just chopping sideways, waiting for the market to see what happens. So really not much to say here apart from that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video.